right, Doc. So far, everything has been great. I've been feeling a lot better, working on the stretches that you've given me. One thing that I am feeling though is my right shoulder. Okay. So it's been off and on issues with it for a while, but lately I woke up on that side, sleeping on it. So it's been, a good amount of pain when I do certain things. When I grab groceries, carry them in the house, suitcases, I gotta really be cautious of how I'm holding my right arm.
Okay.
So what do you got for me?
So do you feel it with overhead motions?
A little bit, but it's here, right here.
So stuff out in front.
Here, yeah.
Okay, and is it, you can't touch it, is it deep? Is it in the shoulder?
It's in my spirit. All the way in there.
Okay, and is there clicking, popping?
Nah, no clicking, no popping.
No numbness, none of that stuff. Okay.
Nah, just a pain inside. But like I said, what I feel like really triggered it is how I'm sleeping when I end up sleeping on my right side.
Okay. Yeah, so we'll go in and we'll check the motion, but I think, we worked on the other shoulder before, so we're gonna probably go in and look at spine too today.
Okay.
Because the way your spine moves, if you can extend in this direction, it's gonna open up your shoulder. So we're probably gonna get in there and do some adjustments today for you.
Oh.
How's that sound?
Oh, I'm a little scared about that.
I promise you it's gonna be easy. We're just gonna open up motion back here. If I can open up motion in your spine, the shoulder can track and open much easier. I'll take you through it.
In the movies when they do that,
yeah,
they die. So
you're not gonna die today.
All right.
I can promise you that.
So y'all hear that? So if y'all don't hear from me no more, come look for me with this guy over here.
All right, so let's take a look at your shoulder. Let's get the shirt off.
Okay.
And I'm gonna have you sit here. Okay. All right, so let me just see. So do you have any pain at rest? You any pain right now?
No.
Okay. All right, so let me move this around. You just tell me if you get any pain. I just want to see what we got here.
A little bit going down.
Okay. And did it just catch and then release?
Yeah.
Like you feel, okay. Let's try here. Let's go across.
No pain.
Nothing, good. Let's come up here.
Nope.
Nothing, okay. So just rest this here. I just want to feel. So just try and relax. Let me feel with it. You getting that catching at all?
No.
Okay.
I feel like the fact that my arm is relaxed, it feel like it's not gonna hurt.
Okay.
I feel like when
you're firing it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I just want to see if I can feel any catching of the joint structure in there. Okay. Let's get in. I want to open up some of this back here first. And then we're gonna get in the front, we're gonna open up this. It's gonna allow it to track better, and then we're gonna go look at spine stuff here as well. All right, so let me just get in here. So you just relax, let me open this up. If you get that catching, let me know.
Okay.
Does it get worse after you lift? I mean, do you feel it more frequently?
I feel it's just certain motions activated, but I just stay away from doing that. Like I feel when it's about to hurt and I just go do something else.
Okay. And you're saying like rows, like upright rows will bother it?
I can't do upright rows at all. I used to do them all the time. That's been about 2 years that I haven't done that.
Oh wow, long time, okay. So does this come and go, this shoulder, and now it's just flared up?
I think it's always there, but lately it's been kind of bad because I usually sleep on my back, but I slept on my side a couple times this week and I noticed it.
Okay.
And that really, for some reason, maybe it compresses it. I really don't know.
Yeah. You will get compression. If you sleep on it a lot, you're going to get some of the tissues that will tighten up. So it'll start to get some of these ligaments in there tighter, which means you won't be able to move it as efficiently. So just let that relax. Let me open up this front piece. Push-ups are fine. Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna have you move your arm. I'm gonna start here for me. I'm gonna have you reach behind your back and slide that hand down so the shoulder drops. Yeah. So come on back now. bring this arm back to the beginning. So you start there, and I want you to reach down and back. Good, same thing. I'm just gonna do a few of those. No pain with that? Good, just gonna be one more of those. Good, awesome, okay, relax again, let's put it here, just want to feel. Okay, let's have you go on your back. So feet there, head on this pillow. All right, we're gonna go open up some of the front of this arm. All right, so just have you drop your elbow, just let it relax. I don't want you to feel it in the shoulder, so if you do, you let me know.
Okay.
No, you're good. Stay right there. Stay right there. You just let your shoulder relax. So then let your shoulder fall. There we go. Is that okay?
Yes.
Good, all right. I'll have you sit back up for me, Mike. Right back where you were. I'm gonna do some stuff here and just in the back of the shoulder. So I'm gonna have you do this motion. You're gonna start here. I want you to reach all the way up, and I want you to turn your hand like that. Okay? So start there. Yeah. All the way up. Turn it. Yeah. These are some of the muscles, the rotator cuffs in the back. Usually if you can normalize the tissues that control the shoulder, which is the rotator cuff plus a whole bunch of other stuff, the ball and socket will move a little bit more smooth. And you won't get that catching. Nice, good. One more. Good, all right. So for this one, we're gonna work on the capsule. A couple more things here. Start here. You're gonna rotate your arm just kind of below parallel there. And I want you to take your elbow and jam it over to this shoulder here. Just like that. Yep. So come on back. I'll tell you when to go. Hang on one second. Hold your arm right there. Go for it. Go ahead and turn it. So turn it down first and then bring it across.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, there you go. Come on back. So that's the capsule in the back. We're gonna open that up. Go ahead and rotate, down, bring it across. Nice, good. Just do two more of those. Go for it. Turn it, yep. Good. Go ahead, one more. Good stuff. Okay, one more muscle here, and then we're gonna go and check the spine there and see what we got. Now you notice this every day? Is this something you notice every day, just day-to-day stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. So definitely give me some feedback as far as if you feel less, just whatever, groceries, whatever, you're just the day-to-day stuff.
Okay.
So move that around real quick, see how it feels.
It's like,
Does that feel loose?
feels so much-
Open.
oh my God.
Yeah, so if we can open up that ball and socket, it'll just move.
You know what it feels like? It feels like, it feels fine.
So typically what happens is you lose, so the ball and socket's here, right? So if you lose a little mobility, it starts to jam. So we're just gonna open up mobility and then you can train it. Like you should be able to train that. There's nothing wrong with your shoulder.
That's great.
Okay.
Kind of voodoo. But it's working.
All right, so we're gonna check the spine now. I just want you to lie on your stomach. I just wanna feel stuff real quick. Come all the way down there.
We'll shut my hands with you.
Wherever you want, behind you at your sides is probably good. I just wanna make sure, just let me know if you get any pain as I go through here first. Did you feel that little bit right there? Yeah, that's basically what an adjustment is, but we're gonna go through and do it a different way with you because I wanna get more extension in your spine. I'll take you through this, it's really simple. So I'm gonna have you flip over. So you're gonna sit up on the table. So you have your legs straight, right up on the table. Yep. I'm gonna put this board behind you, so I want you to scoot back this way just a bit, and then scoot to the right side of the table. Perfect, and just keep the leg on. Yeah. Okay, Mike, so we're just gonna try and move some of the joints up top here. It's real simple. You may hear some cracking. You could probably hear some cracking. It's not gonna hurt at all. It's gonna feel awesome. So all you gotta do is cross your arms, hands over the tops of your shoulders for me. Yep. I want you to just tuck your chin. Just like that. Yeah, in a minute, I'm just gonna have you breathe in, breathe out, and you're just gonna fall back on my hand is really all you're gonna do. Okay, so just take a deep breath in from your right. Breathe all the way out, and then fall back to the table as much as you can. Just relax. Good, there it is. Good. Easy, simple.
Yeah.
You're still here.
Still here.
So just sit normal and just see how it feels.
Like, I feel less pressure, I guess.
Yeah. So you should just be able to extend the spine better. So you should be able to get this sort of motion better in the spine. And if you can extend more, this all opens up. And the shoulder can now sit where it needs to.
Okay.
So it's a little bit of both. It's a little bit of tissue in the front opening up the shoulder,
Right.
but the better the spine can move in both locations, it just takes pressure off of everything.
Yeah, it feels good.
And that's all. Adjustments are really just opening up motion. That's all we're doing. It should never hurt. It's really just something's not moving, let's make it move.
Right.
Yeah,
Excellent.
simple.
Cool.
So give it a go, give it a test, and let's see how it feels. But this is something we could open up, and you should be able to get back to upright rows. I don't see any reason why not.
All right, cool. Thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome.
That was amazing.
You're welcome.